Universal Car Autos brings you the latest in automotive excellence with detailed reviews and deep dives into the world's top supercars. Today, we explore the 2025 McLaren Senna, a hypercar engineered for track dominance and road-legal excitement. This machine is built with uncompromising performance in mind, making it one of the most extreme McLarens ever produced. Crafted with a carbon fiber monocoque and body panels, the 2025 Senna maintains an ultra-lightweight profile, weighing just over 2,800 pounds. Every component serves a functional purpose, minimizing weight and maximizing aerodynamic efficiency. Under the hood, the Senna features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a staggering 800 PS, which translates to around 789 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling blistering acceleration. The Senna rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and achieves a top speed of 208 miles per hour, demonstrating McLaren's relentless commitment to pushing engineering limits. The active aerodynamics system is another highlight. The front and rear wings constantly adjust to optimize downforce and stability based on speed, cornering, and braking forces. This allows the car to stick to the track with race car-like precision. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide jaw-dropping stopping power and are cooled by advanced ducting for consistent performance under extreme conditions. The suspension system uses McLaren's race-active chassis Control 2 technology, offering fully independent adaptive dampers at each corner. This setup reads road and track conditions in real time, ensuring the perfect balance between comfort and sharp handling. The result is a ride that remains composed on the street while becoming razor-sharp on the circuit. Inside the cabin, the McLaren Senna is minimalist and functional. The interior is stripped down to focus purely on performance. There are no luxury distractions, just racing seats, carbon surfaces, and a digital driver display that delivers vital performance data. The doors open in the iconic dihedral style, and transparent lower panels provide a unique driving perspective, making even the cabin design a part of the performance equation. Despite its race-oriented design, the Senna includes essential road features such as navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and climate control. Every detail is finely tuned to deliver the highest level of driver engagement and satisfaction, making this car a true extension of the driver's will. With limited production numbers, the 2025 McLaren Senna remains an exclusive machine, sought after by collectors and driving purists alike. It represents McLaren's purest vision of a road-going track car, offering a visceral, unfiltered experience that few other cars can match. If you enjoy content like this and want to see more in-depth coverage of the world's most exciting cars, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Universal Car Autos community today.